This, I think the question is wrong with the date here. It should be the public holiday. They say it is a public holiday means the bill is maturing on 26th Jan. So the due date becomes one day earlier, 25th Jan. There is a little error in the printing of date here. It expires on after days of grace. It becomes due on 26th of Jan, which is a public holiday. 26th Jan, the public day, is a public holiday. So the bill and the entry will be made on of payment will be made on 25th Jan. The entries in the books of in the books of drawer is Arun, will be Sunil to bills pay, Sunil to sales, that is X to sales, Y to sales. Bank account, discount allowed to Sunil. In the books of the drawer, it will be discount allowed. In the books of drawee, it will be discount received. Discount received will be credited and discount allowed will be debited. Bill receivable to Sunil. The bill is accepted for the remaining 15,000. 15,000 is payment is made, on which 300 discount is received. And therefore the remaining, the bill is accepted. Bill is accepted here, 15,000. Arun to bills payable. And on the due date, that means one day after adding the days of grace, it will be 25th Jan. Days of grace, bank to bill receivable. That is bank to BR. We discussed the entry there. In the first case, we discussed the entries. Bank to BR when the bill is made. Here, bank to BR and bills payable to bank. Same thing we'll do here. Bank to BR for the same amount, remaining amount, and bills payable to bank. The entry is made. Okay. Now proceeding to the next case. Next now, children, is the case when the bill is discounted from the bank. Bill is discounted from the bank. Discounted from the bank means you get a rebate. Now see children, this is bill gets discounted. Discounted means a facility that is given by the bank for making the payment, for receiving the payment early by the bank. See, suppose I write the bill on X, writes the bill on Y for rupees 1,000. Suppose this bill is written on 1st Jan and is to be met on 4th of Feb. It is written for 1 month. It has to be met on 4th of Feb. And suppose now X cannot force Y to make the payment before 4th of Feb. Suppose X needs that payment on 20th of Jan. What can he do? On 20th of Jan, X can request Y. X can request Y to make the payment. But in case the payment is not made, he is not making the payment. चिक्की, ये देखो मेरे ये कैमरा के बीच में, ये देखो इसको. मैं तेरे से अवॉइड कर जा रही हूँ, यहाँ तक आ गया, हाथ ही चाटने लग गया आके. No. Now X can request Y to make the payment, but suppose Y is not in the position to make the payment on 20th of Jan. What will he do? He will refuse. He will say, no, I cannot make the payment on 20th of Jan. I will make it, but I ensure you that I will make it on the due date. That means 4th of Feb I will make the payment. Now X's money, X has sold goods to Y on credit, but X cannot use the money when he needs. Maybe it is emergency for X. So what will he do? He will go to the bank. X will go to the bank and request the bank to take. X will say that, see, this is a bill that for which the goods have been sold on credit to Y, and Y will make the payment to me on 4th of Feb. But today is 20th of Jan and I need the payment today. So you can keep the bill with you and give the payment to me. When Y has to make the payment on 4th of Feb, let Y make the payment to the bank. So X goes to the bank and receives the payment on 20th of Jan. Rupees 50,000 bank gives him. And on the due date, now the bill is, and the bill, that is the BR, is given to the bank, is handed over to the bank. Now what will X, Y is not doing anything, Y is silent till then. On the due date, on 4th of Feb, X has made the payment to, the bank has made the payment to X. X तो निकल गया. Now the Y has to make the payment. Y will make the payment on 4th of Feb. Now Y will make the payment is made to the bank, because bank has the bill. So payment will be made to bank. So on the due date, payment is being made to bank, and Y is not entertained. X is not entertained on that day. Are you clear? Now let us see the accounting treatment for this. The accounting treatment for this will be when discounting. This is in the case of discounting. Discounting of the bill of exchange. Discounting of the bill of exchange, the first entry remains the same. In the books of X, I am discussing in the books of X first. Y to sales. In the books of Y, purchases to X. Acceptance is received on the same day, BR to Y. X to bills payable on the same date. Now, in place of the payment being made, this entry will be replaced by the next entry. The next entry is when bank account discounting charges to BR. Bank account discounting charges to BR. He is receiving the payment that after giving discounting charges means when bank is doing this favor for Y, bank for X, bank cuts some discounting charges. Bank will charge some fee. That fee is a payment for X. So it will be debited. So entry becomes bank account. Supposing for 15,000, he may receive 14,950. 50 rupees is supposing taken as the discounting charges. So he will get 14,950. 50 has been charges, and the bill was written for 15,000. And for Y, at that case, when the payment is being taken by bank from the bank by X, Y has nothing to do. This will be no entry in case of, no entry here in case of Y. In the books of Y, no entry. This is between the X, the drawer, and the bank. X is giving the bill to the bank and taking the payment from the bank. The bill goes, whenever the bill is going, BR is credited. Whenever the payment is coming, bank is debited. So bank account discounting charges to BR. Now on the due date, when the payment has to be made here, bank to BR, सीधा होना था bank to BR, and bills payable, bank to BR तो होगा ही नहीं, because X की book में तो entry हो ही नहीं सकती. X has already taken. So in the books of X, no entry, because he has already taken the payment. Bank account debit has हो चुका है, it has been done. So no entry at that time. But इसने तो पेमेंट करनी है, इसकी बुक में तब नो एंट्री थी. सो दिस एंट्री विल बी डन एट द टाइम व्हेन द पेमेंट इज मेड. बैंक अकाउंट टू BR, बिल पेबल टू बैंक. He will do the same. Bills payable to bank. The entry is done. This is called discounting. That means one entry is increased only in the books of X, who gets the bill discounted. When he gets the bill discounted, he pays the discounting charges and the payment is done.